Let me show you how to make your first $500 online with a digital product using AI. Super easy. Today, we're going to learn how to create and sell an ebook using ChatGPT and Canva. Step 1. Go to Google and search Canva. Create a free account if you're new. Step 2. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Write an ebook on 10 business ideas." ChatGPT will instantly write a full ebook for you, all the chapters, titles, and ideas ready to go. Step 3. Copy that content and go back to Canva. Search ebook template. You'll see tons of beautiful designs. Just pick one you like. Now simply paste your ChatGPT content into the template, format it nicely, add your name, and boom! Your ebook is ready. Step 4. You can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Instagram to start earning your first $500. And if you want me to make a detailed video showing exactly how to bring traffic and sales to your ebook, comment below "digital" and I'll make that next. If this video gave you value, don't forget to subscribe. More AI and digital product tips coming soon. Thanks for watching.